Yes, the equation of a straight line. The equation of a straight line. Pay attention. This is very simple. This is very simple. Pay attention. This is y equals to mx plus c. The equation of a straight line gives in y equals to mx plus c, whereby this y is the dependent variable. The dependent variable. Let us write the dependent variable. This is the dependent variable, and we have m. M is the coefficient, the rate. This is coefficient of x. It is the coefficient or the rate. It shows the coefficient or the rate or the gradient or the slope of the line, the slope of the line, or the gradient of that equation, the gradient of the equation. Then this is x, and x is this one is the dependent variable. This one will be the independent variable. So this is the independent variable. This is the independent variable. And then we have C, and C, sometimes they call it C or B. It depends on your country. So in our country, we say plus C. So C, it can be negative or positive. So this is where the line crosses the y-axis. This is where the line crosses the y-axis. So you can write it somewhere. This is where the line crosses the y-axis. So it is always the y-intercept. It is always the y-intercept. It is the y-intercept. That is the place where the line crosses the y, where the line crosses the y-axis. So it is as simple as that. Again, when y here is 0, that one is called x-intercept. When y is 0, we say that is the x-intercept. Now, let us try to do one. For example, we are given y equals to 2x plus 1. First of all, choose a scale, or first you draw the table. We want to draw this graph for y equals to 2x plus 1. So first of all, we have the Cartesian plane. This is the x-axis, and this is the y-axis. Then we have the demarcations. This is maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this is 1. Remember, this is 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, we always start with x. When you are plotting the points here or the coordinates, start with x. So this is the x, and this is the y. So when x is 0, y will be, it is called the y-intercept. When x is 0, y will be this. So just put 0 here. So 2 times 0, yes, 2 times 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. So for y, it will be 1. So I can plot that point. When x is 0, y will be 1. So this is x, y is here. So I mark that point. And I continue. When x is 1, let us do 2 times x. And our x is 1. So 2 times 1, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1, 3. So y will be 3. Whenever you see this number here being positive, it means your slope is going to be a positive one. It is going to be a straight line which is positive. It is called positive gradient. So if it is negative, it means it is going to take this form. So it is always good to know that when it is positive, it is going to move like that. When the coefficient of x here, the slope, the gradient, when it is negative, it takes this form. As simple as that. Now, let's go to the plotting. We plot this. We are told it is, when it is 1, y will be 3. So when it is 1, when x is 1, y will be 3. So let's move. This is 1. Let's count 1, 2, 3. So it will be there. So these are the 2 points we have. When x is 0, y will be 1. And when x is 1, y will be 3. Then after that, you take a very straight ruler, alright? Yeah, straight ruler. Then you draw your curve passing through the points you have identified. So it moves like that. And that is y equals to 2x plus 1. Very simple!